Now in this experiment, I'm going to show you how light gets reflected and refracted when it comes to the interface between two medium. For this, you will need a plastic bottle and some water. You will also need a source of light like a torch light. In this case, I will use my phone torch. And you can use a sink. Here I am using a tray so that the water doesn't spill all over the table. First step is to make a hole in the bottle. I am making the hole towards the top. So I have made a hole in the bottle. You can see it's a very small one. Next step is to fill the bottle with water. So now when I remove my finger, water is going to flow out. But this time I am going to strike a torch. See, when I strike it normally, you can see it goes straight. Now when it goes in the path of the water, let us see what happens. Can you see? There is light traveling right up to here. So the light is seen in the path of the water. At the same time, you can see the light reflecting too. See, there is light here and there is light here also. You can see the light in my palm, right? So, how does this happen? Simple. You already know the properties, right? So, when light passes through an interface. So, in this case, the interface is the path of the water and the air medium. So there is an interface. Now light will undergo reflection, refraction and transmission. So some of the light passes directly through. So that is why we see the light straight. Some of the light gets refracted and bends along the path of the water. So now you know why there was light in both directions. Because of transmission and refraction of light.